This is what happens if you drink pineapple water every day. You will see, amazing. According to Ayurveda, one of the oldest medical systems in the world, the decisions you make regarding your daily routine either build up resistance to disease or destroy it. For this reason, you should start your day by focusing on healthy morning rituals like drinking pineapple water on an empty stomach. An organic pineapple is a rich source of some of the lesser-known micronutrients your body needs. It is packed with the enzyme bromelain and vitamin C antioxidant, which both play an important role in the healing process of the body. Reasons to drink pineapple water every morning. 1. Combats inflammation. Bromelain is an enzyme that has anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain helps the body to get rid of toxins and can fight the inflammation that involves all the tissues and organs of the body. Regular consumption of pineapple can help treat mild forms of arthritis and sports injuries by reducing inflammation and pain. 2. It helps to lose weight. Due to the fiber contained in the pineapple, it takes more time to digest, thus causing a prolonged feeling of satiety. Drinking water from the pineapple in the morning prevents sugar and fat cravings. Thiamine helps increase the body's metabolism by converting carbohydrates into energy. 3. Parasite flushes of liver and intestines. Pineapples contain a bromelain enzyme, which is antiparasitic. A couple of sources claim that a fast 3-day pineapple kills tapeworms. 4. Regulate the thyroid. Pineapples contain iodine and bromelain that are effective in improving various autoimmune disorders. Thus, effective in relieving the symptoms associated with thyroiditis. See also, ants invaded your house? Here's how to get rid of the ants in your home in a natural way. 5. The electrolyte balances. Pineapple contains potassium, which helps our body much stronger and maintain the proper balance of electrolytes in the body, preventing cramps or other injuries.